Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the series where we are building appointment scheduler on Google Conversational Agents platform. And till now we have created our tools, created a basic version of our playbook and interacted with the conversational agent. In this video, let's enhance the goals, instruction and see other ways to make this conversational agent more interactive. Here we can provide more information about the overall goal of this playbook, like help user create appointment and provide information about Raj Kapadia. Now you will be wondering where these information will come about Raj Kapadia. I'll show you in a bit. Then in instruction, instead of saying like greet the user and ask what the user want to do, we can say ask how can you help to book an appointment and provide and answer FAQs about Raj Kapadia. Now if you see here in available tools, there is a section called data store. When you click on this data store, it will take you to the functionality to create a new tool. Here you can say Raj Kapadia data store. Now you see here, instead of open API, the type is data store. You will say information about Raj Kapadia, and you can add data store or create a new data store here. I think I don't have data store, so I'll not create one, but you can create a data store and connect the data store here and save this. And if you go to playbook one more time, you'll see this data store is there, and you can say use tool this data store to answer information about Raj Kapadia, and let me save this. So this way you can connect external information or more broadly PDF documents and connect the information or knowledge to your Google Conversational Agent. So I hope these few quick tips about how to improve the functionality of your Google Conversational Agent will help you building your own agent. If you face any issue following the steps I have shown throughout the series, please comment in the comment section of this video. I'll surely get back to you. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.